Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to fix Bush TV UK ghost image repair. If the image on your TV screen seems to be following itself around or is blurry at the edges, this is called image ghosting. To resolve the issue, press standby to turn your TV off. Unplug your TV and device from the mains power. Waiting about 60 seconds allows these capacitors to fully discharge. Then, plug the TV and device back into the mains power. Press standby to turn your TV on. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.